In this video, I will show you step by step how you can add payment method in your Roblox account just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, just open your Roblox account like this. Go to roblox.com like this, okay, to your home page, and you should click over here. You should see this one, setting, okay, over here, this icon. Click on setting and click on setting, okay, like this. And here you go, you will be directly to this page over here. You have my setting, you have account information, and what you will do, you will scroll down and you should see payment methods. Okay, click on payment methods and you will be directly in this page, as you can see. So click over here on add, and here you go. You just need to add your credit or debit card over here. Okay, so just put your card number, your expiration, and your code of your card here, and billing email is already here. Then scroll down, click and put your full name, first and last name, choose your country and put your street address over here. Then click on save, and that's it. And here you go. That's how you can add payment method to your Roblox account, and it's super easy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment, and see you in my next videos.